Hello, if you are wondering why your Google Pixel 11 Pro is hot, well, this actually could be to a few common reasons. And first of all, the heavy task. So if you are watching like some kind of the 4K videos on the YouTube or Netflix, or even when you are recording 4K videos with your camera, then it's like really heavy for processing, and this tensor processor will just simply hit up every time when you are gonna do something like that. Also remember that when you are charging this device with wireless charger or the wired one, it's also gonna heat up the battery temperature and can feel so warm over here. And sometimes when you are in the area with a weak signal, the mobile signal like 5G, then it's also forcing your internal modem to use extra power, and this could be also one of the reason. And that's pretty much it. Maybe also because some kind of the updates in the background, like it's actually downloading a lot of updates for applications in the Google Play Store. So this also could be a reason why it's hot. Sometimes you can try to also take off this case if you have on your phone, or you can basically try to restart your phone. So yeah, this is it. Hope you find it useful.